Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to import your own custom classes into Python. It's very easy to do. I have a class file here and a program file here in the same folder. And in the class file I'm going to make a function, adder, num1, num2, added equals num1 plus num2 is a very simple one. Return added. Oh, there's my function. In the program, which is open right here, that's the program.py file. We're going to import my class. Now, again, my class is this program here. And we're going to say, print my class dot adder. Now, what is adder? Well, adder is the function that we made in my class. And we're going to throw some numbers in, 5 and 6. And what's going to happen here, of course, is the number 5 will be assigned to number 1. And the number 6 will be assigned to number 2. They'll be added, and the result will be returned when we hit run. And you get 11, much as we expected. Now, you, for instance, could make another function. You could say def multi. We'll call it multi because I don't know how to spell multiplier. And we'll do the same thing, num1, num2, mult equals num1 times num. I'm spelling everything wrong today. And we'll return mult. Now, if I, instead of calling adder, called mult, or is it multi? Multi, the function is multi. And I run this, I should get 30, and I do. I get 30 because 5 and 6 is being sent to the multi function in the my class file. And that's about as simple as it gets. Now, there is another way you can import the class instead of just importing the whole thing. You can say from my class import adder, and you could say print adder 10 and 20, and you get 30. By the same token, you can import multi, I think it's called, and we'll say multi. You print it and you get 200. And again, what is multi? It's the function, and added is also the function that is in the class. And that's really all there is to importing your own custom classes. Now, you should always try to make your own custom classes because it makes your program far more efficient. It makes it neater because the code can be sectioned off into individual sections rather than having it all crammed together in the same file. Trust me, when the program gets really big and complicated, you will want to make your own classes and import classes of sectioned off programs. It also makes it easy to deal with changes to the programs because for instance, if I don't want to add, maybe I don't want to add these numbers anymore. Maybe I want to divide them. Well, if I call this class in a bunch of programs, I could just make the change once, and then this would, do that in all the areas where I called that class rather than having to change them all individually. So it's just good to do. I'll have more Python tutorials in the future. Thank you for watching.